world of content possibilities without the pressure of being on screen. Next, let's talk about a truly passive income stream, selling AI-generated stock images. You don't need to be a professional photographer or a graphic design wizard anymore. With just a few text prompts, you can command AI image generators to create stunning, high-quality visuals. Think about it: landscapes, abstract art, business concepts, you name it. You can then upload these images to stock photo websites like Adobe Stock or Shutterstock. Every time someone downloads your image, you get paid. You create it once, and it can earn you money for years to come. Are you a writer, or have you always dreamed of being one? Well, now you can become a published author almost overnight. AI can help you brainstorm ideas, outline chapters, and even write entire eBooks. Whether it's a non-fiction guide, a children's story, or a collection of recipes, AI can handle the heavy lifting. Once your ebook is ready, you can use AI to design a professional cover and then self-publish on platforms like Amazon KDP. It's a fantastic way to share your knowledge and earn money from digital sales while you sleep. Here's a side hustle that's always in demand: career services. Every day, people are looking to improve their resumes and cover letters to land their dream job. You can be the one to help them with a powerful AI assistant by your side. AI tools can analyze a job description, optimize a resume with the right keywords, and craft a persuasive cover letter tailored to the specific role. You can offer this high-value service on freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and charge a premium for fast, professional results that help your clients get hired. The demand for audio content is exploding. Podcasts, audiobooks, and video voiceovers are more popular than ever. But what if you don't like the sound of your own voice or don't have professional recording equipment? No problem. AI voice generators have become incredibly realistic, offering a wide range of voices, accents, and languages. Think about creating audiobooks from public domain texts or offering voiceover services for YouTube creators and businesses. It's another brilliant way to create a product once and earn from it repeatedly. Have you ever sat through a boring presentation with terrible slides? We all have. This is a problem you can solve for businesses and professionals. AI-powered presentation tools can help you design stunning, professional-grade slides in minutes, not hours. These tools can suggest layouts, generate charts and graphs from data, and ensure a cohesive, modern design. You can offer this as a service to startups, corporate clients, or students who need to make a great impression. It's a high-demand skill that AI makes incredibly easy to master and monetize. Every business, big or small, needs a strong social media presence, but many struggle to create consistent, engaging content. This is a massive opportunity for you. Using AI, you can become a social media content machine. AI tools can generate post ideas, write catchy captions, create relevant hashtags, and even schedule posts across multiple platforms. You can offer your services as a social media manager, helping businesses grow their online audience and engagement. You'll be providing immense value while AI does most of the creative work for you. Finally, let's talk about first impressions. In the crowded world of online content, a great thumbnail or logo can make all the difference. It's the first thing people see. Instead of spending hours in complex design software, you can use AI to generate dozens of options for thumbnails and logos in seconds. Just input a few keywords or style preferences, and the AI will deliver a variety of professional designs. You can sell these designs to YouTubers, streamers, and new businesses, providing a fast and affordable solution that helps them stand out. So there you have it, a whole arsenal of AI-powered side hustles that you can start today to earn more money in less time. We VA covered everything from faceless YouTube channels and AI stock photos to ebook creation and professional design services. The future of work is here, and it's powered by AI. The key is to take action. Pick one idea that excites you the most, explore the tools, and start your journey. Don't just watch this video. Use it as a launch pad for your own success. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to take on the world of AI side hustles. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And for more tips and strategies on how to leverage AI for financial freedom, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments which side hustle you're going to try first. Until next time, keep innovating.